Welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Tonight I've got a little entertainment for my fellow Anvil Foundry users. This is a video really all about the Anvil Foundry. And yeah, I said I'd share whatever I'm drinking. This is my double raspberry golden ale. It's very freaking good. Don't forget, like, subscribe, keep sharing. Now, I know a lot of you out there have probably seen the movie The Ring.
You start to play it, and it's like somebody's nightmare.
Does that remind you of anything? Or maybe that? Yeah. Hopefully Blichmann takes this as humor and entertainment, as I do know the new lovely malt basket has new little legs and everything on it, so we don't need the ring anymore. Well, this is my ring. And yeah, I've gotten better at playing manipulate it, where you're holding a big heavy grain basket full of lots of hot wort and everything else, including all the malts that are soaking wet. But I got a bunch of tiny little, you can call them blooper reels, shorts, whatever you want to call, super short, just a bunch of them. For the people who fight with this thing, like I do from time to time, if not the majority of my time, this is, I mean, you'll hear, I've given it the stage I have to put it in, I actually have a name for it. Yeah, something like, and let the fun begin. So hopefully you enjoy this. Hopefully you have a good sense of humor and understand I'm just kind of poking a little fun at the one thing that drives me nuts. And no all-in-one is perfect. I love my Anvil Foundry, but this one piece, if only they made a little extra groove right up here in the top, it would have just clamped in place and I'd have been super happy. But they found another solution, which is all good. So hope you enjoy. And the fun begins. I hate this thing. It doesn't just stay. This, I have learned, if you take your time and go very slowly, you can usually get the grain basket out without hitting it. But like I said, you have to go very slowly. And as you can see just how awkward this little bit is. Some minor refinements. There we go. Okay. Don't have a huge grain bill today, but it's still heavy. What I call the fun part. See if we can lift this up. 16 pounds plus a lot of water. Damn it. Okay, here we go. And the fun part. The workout. Okay, fun time. And get this on the first try. Yeah, I see some people in the forums and the chat saying, Or comment section even saying they don't have that problem. I don't know how. Never touch the steel. It will burn you. I keep forgetting. Okay, let's see if we can do this on the first try. Some days I want to kill the person who came up with this little design. Quite literally. There we go. Let the fun begin. Here we go. Okay. Piece of crap. There we go. Oh, fudge. You're gonna look at it without gloves. Okay, fun time. And get this on the first try. Definitely on the heavy side. I saved the best for last. That was the one I did almost perfect. That was the pumpkin ale. If you've seen that video before. So where I actually got the ring and went right in, even tried different techniques. I was trying anything I could to not have the problems, because I always hear these people, oh, I never have that problem. I'm like, really? I remember calling tech support from something one time, and I was like, why do they always make me feel like I'm the only person that has that problem? And the lady who had me on hold, she's like, oh my God, we get tons of calls. She goes, they just don't want to admit it. And I was like, oh, okay, good. So, and I figured Blichmann definitely got some complaints on this thing driving people nuts because they reinvented the wheel and changed it. Thanks again for viewing. Thanks for joining Bitter Reality Brewing. Don't forget, like, subscribe, and keep sharing. Thank you very much.